Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Printify with Shopify. Now let's start. Make sure to log in your Shopify store, and once you navigate the homepage, click the apps and search for Printify. Now in here, all you have to do is to install the Printify. Click install. Now in here, we have to create a Printify account. So it's up to you if you want to use your email and enter a password. Then just click sign up. So for now, I'll be using my Google account to create Printify account. Now in here, just select what best describes you. Like for example, I'm selling online and want to start. Then what best describes you. Then after that, just tap next. So in here, just tap this yes, I have sales channel. Then we'll be connecting our Printify to our Shopify. So it's up to you if you want to sell your products within just a specific country, or if you want to sell globally, just check this box. Then after that, tap next. So you can select where did you hear the Printify. So just check what applies in you. Then tap complete. Now, to check if our store is connected, we can you can click the open full site at the top right corner here. Then you need to log in your account. Then tap my store. Now as you can see here, our store is already connected. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.